everybody, happy Thursday. I miss you all so much. It's gonna be vlogmas day 10, 11, 12, the ones that I missed. I want to share with you guys my unboxing. Boxycharm Premium 2 right here. I want to share with you guys what I received and see what's different. Yeah, let me know in the comments below what you guys got from the Boxycharm Premium, if you guys received this month of Boxycharm Premium. Don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe down below. Leave a comment, share this video to all your friends if you like Boxycharm. Let's start with this one first. I didn't look at anything, I just opened it because I don't want to cut myself during the video, like always. The theme of this month is the same one as Boxycharm Whimsy, and I got variation 33. What it looks like. All the products. The first thing that I picked out is the Glow Receipt Watermelon Pink Juice for oily combo skin. Moisturizer is spiked with vitamin and amino acid rich watermelon extract for skin for the day ahead, morning and night. Look right here retails for $39, which is really expensive, but I think it's in the decent side because it's really like it's a huge box. Advent Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream. This retails for $134. Hopefully it's not this size because that would be really insane. An eye night cream is a delightful anti-aging moisturizer for face targeted eye area formulated with hyaluronic acid to nourish your skin. That was $134. I'm also gonna leave the total in the screen. I forgot. One is the Natasha Denona lip liner pencil, and this one is in the color Orange L13. This one is like more of like a red orange in real life, really orangey type of shade. Natasha Denona lip liner pencil is $18. It's a lip lining pencil for perfectly defined lips. Natasha's lip liner is highly pigmented and has a creamy texture for easy application and comfortable wear. I gave you guys the wrong info about this one. This one is $22. The one that I just showed you guys was this one right here, which is $30, so I failed at that. One is $22. It's a Bite Beauty, nighttime lip therapy. It's a deeply hydrating overnight lip mask and game-changing balm to oil formula for more nourished and supple lips overnight. Vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. I don't know if that's supposed to look like that. You see that line right there? But it looks really pretty. $30. Good packaging right here. Like the bubble wraps. I always like bubble wraps in the packaging because it keeps your stuff safe. Like that. Very pretty. Is this eyeshadow palette right here from Dose Cosmetics. I'm totally keeping one for myself, of course. Very pretty. If you're that person that likes to do everyday natural, not too much color, this is the gal for you. Colors Hidden Treasure palette is $50. Our Hidden Treasure palette includes 10 eyeshadow shades, perfect for creating smooth transition between colors and or smoky effect. So they have all the ingredients and it's cruelty free, I think. Yeah, it's cruelty free. It reminds me of the Game of Thrones, if you guys know what I mean. Like, it does.
I got two more coming for Boxycharm Premium. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna get something different from that. Let me know in the comments below if you guys would like to see another video like that.
So what I have all in my box is the second box. So the same thing, Boxycharm Whimsy. This one is in variation 31. Okay. Let me see if this is different. Oh, the same thing. Okay. I got the same thing from Glow Receipt. This one for $39. Same thing. The Basic Beauty one I just showed you guys. This one is the Skin Fix Dermatitis Face Balm. This concentrated balm comes to the rescue to treat dermatitis, eczema, and dry patches on your gorgeous face, leaving irritated skin soothed, restored, and protected. Dermatitis Face Balm works quickly to effectively dermatitis and eczema. So that's what it's all about. I thought this was a bundle because they have like the same, they're just the same color, but yeah. Lejeune eye sleeping mask. Retails for $34. Eye mask deeply hydrates through the night. Ceramic massage tool for a vitalized appearance. Eye moisture wrap technology helps to soothe and maintain deep hydration while you sleep. That's very unique. This little thing looks like that. And the last thing that's different on here is the Kat Von D Cake Pencil. This one is the eyeliner. Type of eyeliner. Oh, I like these eyeliners. So yeah, it looks like that. This one's $19 right here for this one. So I'm gonna add them up as well and see which one is more. And 31. So that's pretty low, but that's good. I think the most money right now is the other variation, and which is really nice. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you guys think of the Boxycharm Premium this month. Let me know if you have a different variation than me. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.